What's up, guys? Hi YouTube, hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I am going to be sharing 10 small lucrative business that you can start in your community or in your neighborhood. What are you waiting for, guys? These are hot businesses that are people are doing every day, enjoying, making their money without no much stress, and they are in hot demand. That's another thing. The businesses are hot in demand. You can never fail doing all this business. You'll be cashing out daily income stream, also making your savings, also solving your problems. I'm number one is food stuff business. Food stuff business is one of the business that is high in demand, and you can never go wrong selling food stuff. People need food to keep body and soul together. You need food to live every day. You need food to work hard. So food business is one of the businesses that I recommend you to start. All you need to do is get your capital, get a strategic location where you can sell and market and promote your business, get suppliers, know the market that you need to go to get your food stuff business, and before you know it, it will start booming, and people will start buying things from you and also telling you to get them some products that they need for their business. The next one is restaurant and minibar. People like to enjoy themselves with family and friends, or even on solo. All you need to do, if you know how to cook, you are good in running all this kind of business. If you can also employ workers that can help you do this kind of business, so you can never go wrong doing all these kind of businesses, selling food, selling drinks, and all that, and making your community to be happy as well. I recommend you to start a food business, a restaurant business, and a mini bar if you're interested in doing that kind of business. Then number three is gym place. Everybody wants to look good right now. For me, I have been gymming, but I did my gym those days. I was paying 5,000 naira a month to join the group, and you can ask people to pay at least a minimum amount for your membership. If it's a 6 months package, if it's monthly package, if it's 12 months package, and if you cannot do it, also you can also employ an instructor that can help you to do the business with you. You can also, in that you're saying gym place, you can also sell some supplements, sell wellness supplements, sell fitness products. That is how they make money inside there. Tell people, promote them. Everybody wants to look shaped, everybody wants to take care of their health. So this is one of the business I would recommend you to start in your community. The next one is barber shop and salon, hair salon. All these ones, everybody wants to look good from hair to toe, facials, hair. These things are in vogue and it can never go wrong. Even add your makeup inside there. People are doing makeup inside salon as well. Do your nails, do your facials. You can as well sell products there. Sell makeup products, facial, nets, hair, and even your barber products. So you understand? So that people can look good. These are things that people need to do in their community and in their neighborhood. They don't need to go to London to get all these things done. They don't need to go to America or Dubai to do all these things. These are things that they can do within their neighborhood and get satisfaction. The next one is opening a grocery shop or provision shop. People have daily needs. There are things that you cannot run away from. Taking care of your daily needs from your head to toe, body and soul, and everything. You need all these things, and you can never go wrong. These businesses are going to give you daily income stream. At the same time, you are making savings as well. So I also recommend you to start a grocery shop or provision shop. Number 6 is wine shop. People do wine shop, retail or wholesale wine shop, spirits, assorted drinks. They can also have a mini place where they allow a do lounge place where people can also drink. You can also have that where people, after buying, they can also hang out there and drink the drink they bought from you. That's how to do a wine shop. So it's not a bad business. I recommend you to start it. The next business on my list is bakery. and confectionery. If you know how to bake, you know how to do small chops, you know how to do bread, you know how to do meat pie and all those confectionery, bakery and all that. All these things are in vogue. People do parties, people do events. They will make order from your hand, and it can never go wrong selling this kind of products or doing bakery. I recommend you as well. The next one is boutique shop. Open a boutique shop. Have more friends. They will buy from you. From selling clothes, whether it's for adults, whether it's for kids, whether it's for male, whether it's for female, find your niche and know what you can sell. Clothes or shoes, jewelries, wristwatches, accessories, and you can never go wrong selling all these kind of products. These are the products I recommend you. Boutique shop is a very good lucrative business. Just know your vendor, know your suppliers, and you are good to go. The next business I will recommend you to do is laundry services. Many people are busy right now. We have a busy work schedule. People don't even have time to even wash their clothes, so they need a good laundryman to be taking care of their clothes as well. So if you have the abilities, you have the capabilities to start a laundry service, I will also recommend you to start a laundry services. You can employ more hands to help you do this business. You can never go wrong doing laundry services. Some clothes are hard to press, they cannot even do it, and they don't have time, busy schedule. So you can start it. You can go door to door, market your product, promote your services to them. You can even go to their house and pack their clothes, and wash and collect your money. It's a very good business that you can never go for, because even it is in that same neighborhood, it's that community that will still do that business. People don't even have time to go far. Once they are back from office, is in their house. The next thing, maybe they want to hang out around their location. The next one is starting a shawarma or shawarma stroke barbecue stroke Indomi parlor. These are hot products and selling comfort food. If you join them and even have a small entertainment place where people can always come there and have fun with their friends, love, and family and friends and loved ones. These are businesses I recommend you to do. All these businesses are hot in demand. You can never fail doing any of these businesses. I'm telling you the truth. Before you know, you start counting money, you will still be saving as well. So these are my 10 hot, small, lucrative business that you can start in your neighborhood. If you're looking for any business, just start one. Choose the one that you can do. Choose the one that can help you, that you know that you can succeed, and the sky will be your limit. Thank you for always watching. If you have watched to this time, thank you for always watching my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. My name is Ebys'Lady, and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit on the button notification and subscribe to my